Problem set 2, question number 8, rationalizing the denominator. When we have surd, we multiply with the same surd. So it is getting rationalized. Question 1 is solved in this way. Question 2 is 2 upon 3 root 7. So we will multiply the term with root 7. No need to take 3. Root 7 into root 7 will be rationalizing it. So to the numerator as well as denominator we will multiply by root 7 and that will give 2 root 7 upon 3 into 7. That is equal to 2 root 7 upon 21. Question number 3. Question number 3 has operated surds as denominator. So when we solve such sums, we have to take conjugate of it. So conjugate of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. So we will multiply it to the numerator as well as denominator. Now it is just monomial to binomial multiplication. It is looking like a minus b, a plus b. So we will follow the identities formula. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a means root 3, b means root 2. Root 3 square minus root 2 square. That is equal to root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 square is 3 minus root 2 square is 2, and so the answer is root 3 plus root 2. That's all for this answer. Let's see question number 4. 1 upon 3 root 5 plus 2 root 2. So again these are operated surds, so we will take conjugate of it. Conjugate of it means it is with opposite sign. So 3 root 5 plus 2 root 2 has conjugate 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2 multiplied to numerator as well as denominator. Now it is just monomial to binomial, and to the denominator it is looking like a plus b, a minus b. So multiply 1 into 3 root 5, 3 root 5, 1 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Again we will follow the formula, identities a square minus b square. So 3 root 5 the whole square, bracket is very important, 2 root 2 the whole square. Reason, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So solve it. 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 square 9 root 5 square 5 minus 2 square 4 root 2 square 2. 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2 upon 45 minus 8. 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2 upon 37. So one can see that here in this answer we don't have any chance to simplify, as they don't have any factor relationship or they are not multiples of each other. Okay, so no common factor, so we will keep answer as it is for this answer. Easy steps, basic knowledge is required. That's all for this answer. Let's see one more question. Let's see question number 5. In this question denominator is 4 root 3 minus root 2. So we will take conjugate of it. Conjugate is nothing but what operation is given, just opposite operation we have to take. So now we will multiply. This is just monomial to binomial. Monomial, how we multiply with binomial, the same method we will follow. So 12 into root 2 upon, again we find the same thing as a minus b, a plus b. So we'll write it as a square minus b square. Reason is same. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now we will solve this. 12 fours are 48 root 3 plus 12 root 2 upon. Now everybody knows how to solve this bracket. 4 square means 16, root 3 square means 3, root 2 square is 2. So now 16 threes are 48 minus 2. So after solving this we get 46 as denominator. Now one can see that 12 and 48 they have common factors, so we can just simplify them finding common. So 12 and 48 they are just showing factor relationship. So 12 is taken out as common, at which place we get 48. So 12 fours are 48. Root 3 common, 12 is taken out, root 2 and 46 as it is. Now 46 and 12 both are just simplified by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 23, so 46. So 6 into 4 root 3 plus root 2 upon 23. That's the answer for this question. We have to simplify till it is getting simplified. Okay. Thank you for watching all the videos.